door clearance center here. This is our iron triple folding door unit.
Wow, that thing's pretty neat. How's it work?
Well, this side here is your main operable door. The two flush bolts are engaged there, so you can use this to go inside and out.
Okay, pretty cool. Can you show me how it folds though?
Yeah. So let me go in here and disengage the flush bolts.
Wow,
How do you like that?
that moves really smooth.
Yeah. And so these fold to your right here.
Now, this door looks a little thick. Is this thicker than a normal door?
It is. It's about 2 inches thick. The other doors are 1 3/4 inches.
Okay, nice. And how big is that opening there? It's pretty big.
Yeah, this is a wide 8-foot opening. If I were to lay down, I'm about 6 foot. You'd still have room to get by.
Wow, very nice. Now, would I need a special lock to go with this door?
Yes, normal locks are about 1 3/4 inches compatible. This, you need a 2-inch thick compatible, but we have those in stock.
Well, sounds great. I'd like to get one.
Sure. You want to?
I'll take it.